Good morning, good morning, good morning. Do you remember the excitement that you had when you were going to get your Sisterlocks installed for the first time? I think that's the kind of excitement I'm feeling right now. After not being able to get my hair retightened professionally since March, it hasn't been difficult. But I'm always excited when I'm getting my hair retightened. I was happy that I could do it myself at least once. I took the virtual class. I had this wonderful consultant that taught me how to interlock my own hair. But that was really taxing. And so I really like the idea of going to sit down and let someone else do my hair. So last night I shampooed and banded my hair. And now I'm getting ready to go for my appointment. And I'm excited. So the next time you see me, I will have newly retightened Sisterlocks. One thing I can say is that I really do appreciate the Sisterlocks because even though my hair needed to be retightened, it still looked good. I could still take care of it. I have a couple of combined locks that as soon as I pulled it through the first time, by mistake, I stopped. So hopefully my Sisterlock consultant can take care of that for me and get everything straight. Again, I commend, and I say again because I've been commending those Sisterlock sisters who have retightened their own hair and have decided to continue to do it. I commend you because I know that's a great feat that you decided. And for me, it's a feat. Yeah, it's really huge for me. But I know for some of you, it has been freeing because you're no longer tied to a consultant. And I'll know to each his own. And I appreciate you all. I want you to know that I appreciate you supporting me in my journey as I move along. And I want to say thank you. Thank you. So I am getting ready to walk out the door. And the next time you see these locks, they will be freshly retightened. Yes, so I'm a sister. I love my locks. I love my friends and my family, and I love my subscribers. And I especially love God because He's so good to me. He's put people like you in my life that support me, and I really appreciate it. See you next time.